MasterCard is opting for Apple Pay in a contactless future, therefore Apple Card will lose its magnetic stripe. By 2027, Apple Card will have changed. After decades of supporting magnetic stripes, MasterCard announced that it would be swiping left on the technology. According to the business in a blog post, the shift away from the magnetic stripe points to both consumers shifting payment patterns and the development of other technologies. Newly issued credit and debit cards will not be required to have a stripe beginning in 2024 in Europe, 2027 in the United States, and no MasterCard cards will have magnetic stripes by 2033, according to MasterCard. Apple Card may obtain this upgrade in 2027 as a result of the company's decision. Because Apple wants to give a card that is as simple as possible while providing the highest level of security, ditching the magnetic stripes as soon as feasible seems like a good idea. Although Apple Card is currently only accessible in the United States, the growing popularity of Apple Pay is making actual credit and debit cards seem increasingly obsolete. When you pay with Apple's own payment system, a randomized new card is generated, ensuring that no one can use your genuine credit card information to make a transaction without your permission. Although the Apple Card has a better UI than the real benefits because its cashback functions are restricted, switching to a stripless card will reduce the chances of fraud even more.